I'm reviewing best loop hikes. Don't really care about loop hikes too much anymore. I was curious about them when I was younger. If they access more waters, I'd be interested. This one does. There are several lakes. The big little sister lake may have medium-sized brookies according to Department of Fish and Wildlife. If I can trust the internet today, if I can trust this manual, that might be a place to go. It looks like a short hike. I wish there was a full color so I could judge the water. It looks very clear. It looks like the water is ultra clear. Lake bed volcanic rock, it says in the caption. I don't have much more to say about this book, so it's a 1-minute review, and enjoy.